Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Hot Wheels. We have this amazing ultimate garage. It's the biggest garage ever. We also have a collection of lots of Hot Wheels vehicles. I can't wait to show you all of these. Let's check out the vehicles first. Our first Hot Wheels vehicles is a Snap Ride. With these, you can build and customize your own car in a Snap. We have two different kinds of engines, two different kinds of wheels. You can create just the vehicle you want. Do you want that one? Or do you want that one? Wow, how fun! You can also collect these Snap Rides. They can really race on the track. Next we have this Dino Rider. Wow, isn't that cool? I love the colors and I love the two-sided dinosaur. Next we have Hot Wheels City Works. Look at that utility vehicle. Those wheels are so big. Here's another City Works. This is the Chill Mill. It's got fresh milk. You can see all the milk bottles inside. Here we have a Hot Wheels City Truck. It's a fire truck. Look at the flames on the side of it. I love the white fire truck and the red ladder. Here's the Street Cleaver. That's an amazing mighty machine. Next we have Snowstormers 5-pack. This collection will blast through any blizzard. I love the white wheels. Here we have a special 5-pack from the Stunt circuit. Look at that pink car. It's got a star on the front. Whoa! Look at that yellow car with two different color rims. There's another one with different color rims. I love the flames. Check out that green stunt car. I love the orange inside. Finally, we have this gray stunt team. It looks really neat. Next, we have the Race Aces. Check that bright blue car out. Ooh, he's so nice. Ooh, look at that black one. I love the yellow rims. There's a white one. I love the front of it. Another yellow one. So fun. And then we have this red truck. Our last 5-pack is the X-Raycers. These are cars with clear bodies and wheels, plus they're super fast on the track. Look, you can see right through them. They even have clear wheels. Now that we've looked at all the Hot Wheels cars we've got, let's check out this ultimate garage. It's got 36 parking spaces, 8 different play zones, 2 elevators, lights and sounds. It looks so fun. It also comes with some vehicles. It's got 5 sports cars and a helicopter. This is Hot Wheels' biggest garage ever. It's the ultimate garage. The helicopter can grab the cars. You can have side-by-side races. There's lights and sounds. There's a spiraling speed ramp. There's even a flag at the finish line. It has a fill-up station. It's got 2 elevators, lots of ramps, and lots of racing. There's even a stunt shark. I can't wait to unbox the ultimate garage. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.